Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, June 24th, 2014. The U.S. stock market is closed. Shouldn't put that black cat on my video yesterday. She brought us really bad luck today. But I'm going to tell you the black cat is as good a reason to explain what happened today in the markets as anything else. I enjoy reading the expert commentary about why the market does certain things, and it always kind of amuses me because basically I don't believe a word of it. And today was a good example. We had great economic news come out today in terms of housing. It should have caused, if you believe that news drives the market, it should have caused the Dow to skyrocket. Well, the Dow fell 119 points today, its worst drop in over a month, and you know, we got caught in the deadly pattern of having the market go up at the beginning of the day and then sell off at the end of the day, and we got hammered. Basically, we got hammered today. We closed out $9,700 in closeout trades and are carrying over negative 11 going into tomorrow. Not a great day for us, but you know something, we trade a system. Markets go up and down, and we have had a terrific run, and it's just inevitable that we're going to have days like today, and you can't get discouraged. It's going to happen. It's always going to happen. And yeah, we didn't do very well today. Anyway, let me show you the chart. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here, and I'm going to show you the real reason the Dow went down today, even though nobody seems to have a good explanation for it. It's Robert's red line, and you can see here exactly what happened today. The market opened positive and got up here and bumped against our red line, and it couldn't get through it. And when it couldn't get through it, it just fell apart totally. Worst fall in 30 days for the Dow, and it was down 119 points. And excuse me, what was really bad about this is that again we get this pattern that we hate where the market takes off at the beginning of the day, and it gets us into stuff, and then we're holding stuff all day long as the market sells off. And that happened to us today. It was one of the reasons why we had such a rotten day. We had I can't remember exactly how much negative we had yesterday on the close, but we were negative. We come in today, and that went positive. It was up to almost I think it was up to $5,000 positive when we got up here, and then of course just everything went to hell. And as I say, we were actually holding negative $11,000, plus what we got out of was basically another $10,000. So not a really good day for us, but at the same time, here's the good news. People, this market couldn't get through the red line. And of course, right above that red line is 17,000, which everybody's talking about. And the Dow will get above 17,000, and it could even get above 17,000 this week still. It's possible. But it's going to slingshot out of this. I'm not going to say that it's going to do it tomorrow, but you know, the market needed to back off to re-energize, and markets go up and down. You know, if we're traders, we got to recognize that. Anyway, I'll show you. I don't have any good markets at all to show you, but I will show you how this sell-off affected us and why we had such a rotten day, because I think it's important to understand that for trading. We had bought Tesla here yesterday right out of the gate. It didn't do anything for us, but then it opens up positive, and it looked to me like just another one of these good market days for us, and we were up, I think we're pretty close to a positive $1,000 in Tesla. And then of course the sell-off starts, and you can see what happened. By the time we got out of that, we're down in Tesla $1,200–1,300. So we had a swing of over $2,000 there from positive to negative. And I'll show you one more, and it's pretty much the same thing. This was in Yelp, and this looks so good on the open this morning. We had bought this yesterday midday. Didn't really do anything for us, but then this morning that Yelp was up. I think it was up close to $2,000 here near the open, and then it started to sell off and sell off and sell off. And by the time we get out of this thing, we're down $1,600. This pattern was repeated over and over again in all our markets, and that's why, we're looking at $20,000 loss today. Tough day, but tough days do happen. The difference between good traders and bad traders is good traders learn how to take this and keep going and not give up. So that's the way I went. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.